Hi guys, I'm Brandy. Welcome to Brandy and Company. All right, in today's video, we're going to talk about a medium flap in black lambskin leather gold hardware from Chanel. This bag dates back to 1981, and we're going to just skip right into the video to show you what it looks like before it's sent off. Okay guys, so unfortunately my original recording on my phone did not work. It did not capture the sound. So I'm getting ready to show you the Chanel medium flap gold hardware lambskin leather in black. So this is what I'm going to be sending off to leather surgeons, and we are still in communication at this point as to what we're going to have done to it. I have let them know that the bag is very dry looking and it just needs the luster to come back. It just looks very washed out. I actually am fairly happy with the turn lock. The actual CC looks pretty good, and the strap, the shoulder strap, most of the gold has worn off. It looks almost silver. So I cannot wait to see how this bag is going to look when we get it back from leather surgeons. Hey guys, so UPS just delivered a package. Oh God, it's the medium flap. I just got it from leather surgeons. I can't wait to see it, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so this is the box it came in. So they request that you do not send your like anything except the bag. So don't send your Chanel, Fendi, Hermes dust bag or anything like that. You know, the cards that you get with a lot of handbags, like Chanel in particular, that has your serial number, date code, things like that. Do not include that. Just send the bag, and that's what I did. So they sent it to me. This is leather surgeons. This is their dust bag. Really nice cotton material. Okay, so on my last video, I showed you guys the leather in particular that was really dry. I called it ashy, right? It just was lacking luster. So I requested that the luster be added back with not a lot of pigment, because too much pigment can change the texture or feel of lambskin in particular. So I did not want that. And I asked them to either replace or re-dip the gold chains, the straps, but to not touch the turn lock. So after the owner, Jerry, who I had talked to prior to sending the bag and everything, he is amazing, a hoot, like hilarious. His story is so interesting, how he became a leather surgeon for Chanel in particular. But he called me and wanted to talk through my request of not touching, disturbing the turn lock. So in the end, we decided to go ahead and replate the turn lock. You have to replace the grommets because they're bent. You can't remove those and put those back. Those have to be replaced. And we decided to, basically all gold would be either replaced or re-dipped. So I cannot wait to see what this looks like. look at that hardware. So he just re-dipped it because this is from the 80s. You see the little indentation there? You don't get those on the new ones, but on these vintage ones you do. I didn't want to lose that, so we agreed to just re-dip this. The grommets were replaced. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. I think these chains were just re-dipped. And like Jerry, the owner, kind of explained it to me, you want the bag to look like it's in the best condition it can be for its age. We don't want it to look brand new, right? Because it's not, it's vintage. Hi, Griff. I'm so happy with this. Oh my gosh. I will carry this bag now. I wasn't carrying it. Like, I was contemplating on selling it and buying another one. But I'm so glad that I spent less than $400 to restore this bag. And you guys, I wanted to take a moment to share with you the process that I experienced to get this bag fixed up or spot at Leather Surgeons. So if you go to their website, you're going to see an option to request a repair or a service. So I went through that process, and they say expect, if I'm not mistaken, up to like 48 hours. I received a response within 24 hours. And what I really enjoy about Leather Surgeons is the attention to detail that they provide to make sure that they're going to be able to service you for the outcome that you are expecting. And that is one of the questions on their questionnaire. If you guys can hear my washing machine, I apologize. Hold the line, I'll be right back. I did have the very much pleasure of speaking with Jerry before sending this handbag off, and I learned a lot about his history, how he got involved in being a leather surgeon. And just know, if you send something to him that's Chanel sends their stuff to him too, okay? So just go to him directly. I would recommend going to Leather Surgeons directly, especially if you don't have a Chanel near you, as I do not. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am so happy with my bag. I'm so glad that I can carry it now. I was on the verge of selling this when it was in the bad condition and buying another one, but I saved myself I saved myself a pretty penny by sending this to Leather Surgeons and reviving it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe below. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below if there's anything you're considering sending to Leather Surgeons. All right, bye guys.